Hey everybody, John with Modlite here, bringing you guys a quick video on how to program your new multi-mode heads. So when you get a multi-mode head, it's either going to be on a handheld or it's going to be as a standalone head. The heads come in only high mode. So when I use the light right out of the box, it's going to be in only 100% output high mode. In order to change it from only high to high in admin mode, you need to depress the tail cap 12 times. On the 12th time, you're either going to click the tail cap down or hold it down with your thumb. Now you're going to see the light blink and it's going to be switched from high only to high and admin mode. Now, in order to activate the admin mode, you're going to activate the light twice quickly. So tap, tap, and now I'm in 15% output. Quick note for you guys, the multi-mode heads are now offered standard on our handheld light packages, or you can get a standalone head if you want to swap it out with your old handheld head. If you guys have any questions, let us know in the comments below.